Hooray! Oh, she's done it! Don't worry, Molly. We'll rescue your teddy. Come on, everyone. Oh, whoops! The teddy's on Fiona. Follow that fire truck. Fiona! Stop! Ooh, what the?
Hop it, Frog! Let me past! Wilma T. Weasel coming through! Ah, no! The light is always red!
Wait, Fiona! I need to look on your roof. Nuts and bolts! It's gone!
Oh, about time. Well, well, a new mascot to share our journeys with, Sly. Where's my camera? I want to take a photo. And maybe I'll use the teddy to clean my windows too. Yeah.
Oh, we'll keep looking, Molly. Don't worry. We would get a better view from the sky. Spinning screwdrivers! It's Molly's teddy! Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Where's it gone, Sly? It can't have just vanished.
Bye, everyone.